Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Splid account. So if you also want to create Splid account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So a Splid account is a group account that allows the users to split expenses with friends, family or roommates. Users can add expenses to the group account and Splid will calculate who owes what to whom. So if you also want to create Splid account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Splid application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Splid application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to join the existing group, simply tap on the option join group. But if you want to create a new account and join a new group, simply tap on the option new group that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here, what you have to do is enter the name of your group. Simply enter the name over here. Now you can choose if you want to share online or not. If you do not want to share online, simply toggle off this button. But if you want to share online, simply toggle on this button. You can also choose the currency over here. You can see over here by default US dollar is selected. So if you want to select other currencies, simply tap on it. After that, you'll be able to select the currency of your choice. Simply tap on the currency of your choice. After that, that particular currency will be chosen. Now after that, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is add all the participating persons. Simply add new person over here. Like this, you'll be able to add the people. Now after you've added all the people, what you have to do is tap on the create option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now wait for a while. Now after that, you can see over here your new group will be created. So that is how you create Splid account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.